Hello, today we will guide you through how to take partial profit on MT5 Mobile. If you want to secure some gains on an open trade without closing the entire position, MT5 Mobile makes that possible by using the close function and adjusting the trade volume. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the process clearly so you can follow along on your device with confidence. To begin, open the MT5 app on your mobile phone. Make sure the app is fully loaded and that you're on your main trading interface before moving forward. This helps ensure you can quickly find the trade you want to manage. Once the app is open, tap on Trade at the bottom of the screen. This section shows your active positions along with other key account details. You'll want to be in this area because partial profit is taken directly from an existing open order, not from the chart or quotes screen. Next, locate the order you want to work with, then long press on that sample order. Holding your finger on the trade for a moment will open the available actions for that position. This is an important step because it gives you access to the management options for that live trade. From the menu that appears, tap on Close. This will open the trade closing window. Don't worry, opening this screen does not automatically close the full position. It simply gives you the option to choose how much of the trade you want to close. At the top of this screen, select the sample volume. This is the key part of taking partial profit. Instead of leaving the full lot size or full trade amount, you'll change it to a smaller volume. That smaller amount represents the portion of the position you want to close now, while the rest remains open in the market. It's always a good idea to double-check the volume before confirming, so you only close the amount you intend to. Once you've set the volume, tap on Close with Profit. This confirms the action and closes only that selected portion of the trade, allowing you to lock in gains while keeping the remaining position active. After that, you can return to your Trade tab and verify that the position size has been reduced. And that's how to take partial profit on MT5 Mobile. As a final tip, always review the volume carefully before closing, since that determines exactly how much of your position is taken off the market. This simple process can be a useful way to manage risk and secure profit more flexibly while still staying in the trade.